Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreen, aka Novelty. Now, I do realize that you guys do enjoy my t-shirt designs, and so I decided that I was going to do a summer vibes t-shirt design with you guys today. This is going to be a very easy, well, I like to think it's a very easy tutorial. I'm going to go as slow as I can and do my best to explain how it's being done. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to start, wrong thing. We're going to go into elements, and I want to spell out the word summer. So I'm going to look for S frame. Okay, we're going to go with this one. Line it up there. Okay. Now we're going to go into elements, back to the main, and I'm just going to pick a square. Now for me, where I am, it is winter, but a girl can dream. So that's why we are going to be doing summer. Okay. I'm just gonna line it up with the letters. Okay, so that looks, when you get to the M, you might have to stretch it out a little bit. And then we're gonna pick some colors. I am going to use the colors of my brand. Okay. for this, I am just going to use the pick a color, or the drop to pick a color so it could be uniform, and do the same thing for all of them. I'm recording. Okay, cook. Okay, and for this, we are going to add some palm trees, because when you think of summer, that's just what it is. So I'm gonna use this one. This down a bit. I'm gonna put this here. Some birds. As I come to the end of this tutorial, I just want to take this moment to say again, Happy New Year's, and thank you for everyone that's been supporting my channel. It's been such an overwhelming feeling of joy knowing that somebody is watching my channel and supporting my content. I will do my best to make sure that I'm always providing nothing but that. So as I leave, I just want to say thank you once again. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how I did. Let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see, anything specific, you know what I mean? And I'll do that for you. And until next time, bye!